Hi everyone, it's Vicky here from Crafty Heaven and thank you very much for joining me today. And today's tutorial we're going to be making our own stamp cleaner solution. And I got this idea off YouTube and I thought it was fantastic. I thought this DIY project was perfect because the stuff that you buy to make this solution, it will last you a long time, and the rose water is optional. Some people in their tutorials was just using glycerin and shampoo, but other people was using rose water just to make the solution smell a bit more nicer. So you'll need glycerin and rose water. Again, rose water is optional. So I got this from Boots in the skincare collection, £2 something, and this is a 200ml bottle. You'll need a spray bottle, some baby shampoo, some water, and a measuring cup, and this is a ½ teaspoon. Now if you're wondering what each of these products will do in your solution, the glycerin helps condition your stamps, the shampoo helps clean it, and again, like I said, the rose water is just to make the solution smell a bit more nicer. So we're going to open up our bottle and try and not make a mess. So for the glycerin, I'm just going to pour in probably a teaspoon, and then we are going to pour in our water. So let me just put that back on. We're going to pour in our water and we're going to bring it up here, but we're not going to go all the way to the top because we need to add some of the baby shampoo. So pour in, and this is just tap water. Pour it in. Remember, don't go all the way to the top. Okay. And then we're going to squirt some of our baby shampoo in. So there we go. Put the lid back on. And we're just going to give it a little shake. Okay, and there we go. So that's your stamp solution pretty much made. So I'll just recap what we did. So we put a teaspoon of the glycerin and rose water in first, added the water to about here, put a squirt of the Johnson's baby shampoo in, put the lid on, and then just shake it, and then we're good to go. And like I said, this is going to last you a long time. So it's a really affordable way to make your own stamp cleaner. So what I'm going to do now, in fact, I'm just going to smell this so I could just smell the, oh, that smells really nice with that rose water. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to insert a clip in just a second of me cleaning my stamps, and I'm going to show you the different types of ink pads just to show you, that it cleans it. Also, I have a stamp cleaner pad that is on its way. I haven't received it yet, where it has the one side you spray it with your stamp cleaner and clean your stamp, and then the other side is where you dry it on the dry side. So once that comes, I'm going to have a play with that, and you just spray this on the wet side, clean your stamp, and then dry your stamp on the other side. Okay, so that's good for that. If you enjoyed this tutorial and it's helpful for someone, and yeah, take care guys, and see you soon. Bye.